In this video, we are going to see how we can turn off the shorts or block the shorts on YouTube. So basically, if you don't like shorts at all, you can block that, but we need an external extension for that. So I personally use YouTube Shorts block, just right here, and you can find it on the Chrome Web Store. This is the icon you get, and it's 4.5 rating, so I believe it's good, but you will just add to Chrome it at your own risk, add extension. So basically what this do is it will change the format of all the shorts video to the long format. So basically the player style will turn into the long style with this. And you can see that when we search for any specific video, we only get the long format content. And if we click on the shorts, basically the shorts are blocked as well. But that's because the watch history is turned off. So you can do that as well. If you want to completely turn off the shorts, you can just turn off the watch history on YouTube. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.